These are software you actually use. They are written to solve specific problems and for use in specific industries. When you hear the statement, there's an app for that, it actually means there is an application software for that. They are called application software because they are meant to be applied to different aspects of your life. This is the category of software that makes computers so versatile. Computers appear to be specialized because their application software is specialized. Application software come in three main categories. Desktop. These are application software meant to be used on desktop or industrial systems. Another name for them is line of business software. Using these applications usually require physical input and output devices like keyboards, mice, printers, etc. Example, Photoshop, Microsoft Word, web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, etc. Mobile applications. These are application software meant to be used on mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. One main characteristic of these is that they are distributed in app stores like the Apple's App Store and Google's Play Store. Mobile applications are mostly meant to be used with your fingers and pens. Example, Candy Crush, Facebook, Angry Birds, Instagram, etc. IoT or Internet of Things. These are the kind of software you find on refrigerators and microwave ovens from companies like Samsung. They are meant to work on devices that are connected 24/7 to the internet. Whether you are using a desktop or a mobile application software, each of these are meant for specific industries and for specific operating systems. For example, you can't take a desktop application meant to be used on a Windows computer and directly install it on a macOS computer. Similarly, you can take a mobile application meant for an Android phone or tablet and directly install it on an iPhone or iPad. There's a third category of application software. These are cross-platform applications or web applications. This category of application run in your computer's browser. Consequently, they work on any operating system or platform. Example of a cross-platform application is your favorite website. Now that you know what a computer software is, let's revisit the CPU and learn how it works. When you start your computer and launch a program, or when you tap an app's icon on your smartphone, the instructions in that program are copied to the main memory from the secondary memory. I really hope you remember those. The CPU then goes into a fetch, decode, execute cycle. In the fetch phase, the CPU's control unit locates and retrieves the next instruction in the program from the computer's main memory. Remember from the main memory lesson that when instructions are stored on the main memory, they are stored in binary form, zeros and ones. So in the decode phase, the CPU's control unit will then interpret or decode the retrieved instruction into electrical signals. In the execute phase, the electrical signals are routed to the appropriate device. The signals then cause the device to do something. So, for example, when your speakers receive electrical signals from the control unit, they start to make sounds. And those are the sounds that you hear. This process will continue until the CPU has processed and executed all instructions in the program. I really hope that you will watch this video again multiple times just to make sure you get these concepts, because they will come up again when we start to write code.